Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about decimation in time FFT algorithm example. And this is the previous examination question in the year December 2018. So now coming to the problem. What is the basic operation of DIT algorithm? Given x of n is equal 2 power n and capital N is equal 8, find x of k using DIT FFT algorithm. So first explain the what is the basic operation of DIT algorithm. So first draw the DIT FFT butterfly diagram. The butterfly diagram. So what is the decimation in time FFT algorithm? In decimation in time FFT algorithm, the input sequence is in shuffled order. Input sequence is stored in shuffled order, and the output sequence is in natural order. So what is the shuffled order? The shuffled order is x of 0, x of 4. Now here the 8-point DFT is 8-point DFT is there. Capital N is equal to 8. So shuffled order is x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7 is the shuffled order. And what is the natural order? X of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7 is the natural order. So first draw the butterfly diagram of decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. So this butterfly diagram consists of there are two nodes. There are two input nodes. There are two inputs. One input is A and another input is B. And this is the twiddle factor, and the twiddle factor is Wn power k, and this is the butterfly node. This is the butterfly node, and this butterfly diagram consists of there are two outputs, and one output is this one and another output is this one, and this output is determined as A plus Wn power k into B, and this output is determined as A minus Wn power k into B. So this is the butterfly diagram of butterfly diagram of decimation in time FFT algorithm. Now coming to the solution, coming to the given problem explanation. So given that, what is the given sequence? The given sequence x of n is equal given that x of n is equal to 2 to the power of small n, and also given that 8-point DFT, that is capital N is equal to 8, and what is the range of the small n for n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. N is equal to, now here the capital N is equal to 8, therefore the range of the small n is n is equal to 0 to 8 minus 1, n is equal to 0 to 7, In the given sequence, small n is substituted by 0 to 7. Calculate x of n values. And substitute n is equal to 0. Substitute n is equal to 0. X of 0 is equal to 2 to the power of 0, 1. Next, substitute n is equal to 1 into the given sequence. X of 1 is equal to 2 power 1 is 2. Next, substitute n is equal to 2. X of 2 is equal to 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. And similarly substitute remaining values of n that are n is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get x of n values. Therefore x of n is equal x of n is equal 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma 32 comma 64 comma 128. So this is x of 0 value, this is x of 1 value, this is x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7 value. So this is a given sequence x of n. So draw the decimation in time FFT algorithm. According to the concept of decimation in time FFT algorithm, input sequence is in shuffled order. So what is the shuffled order? The shuffled order is x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. So first arrange the given sequence. X of 0, this is x of 0, x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. So input sequence from the given that x of 0, x of 0 is 0, x of 4 is 16, x of 2 is 4, x of 6 is 64, x of 1 is 2, x of 5 is 32, x of 3 is 8, x of 7 is 128. And this is input sequence x of 1, x of 0 to x of 7. So construction of 8-point DFT from 4 2-point DFTs. So initially this x of 0, initially first step, initially these 2 points, so these two are the one n by 4 point DFT, and this is another n by 4 point DFT, and this is another n by 4 point DFT, and this is another n by 4 point DFT. Construction of 8 point DFT from 4 2 point DFT. So 4 2 point DFT means this is first 2 point DFT, and this is second 2 point DFT, and this is third 2 point DFT, and this is fourth 2 point DFT. So these 2 points, these 2 samples are considered as one 2 point DFT, and these 2 samples are considered as second 2 point DFT, and these 2 samples are considered as third 2 point DFT, and these 2 samples are considered as fourth 2 point DFT. Okay, so from these 2 samples, first calculate the stage 1 output. Stage 1 output. So totally now here the 8 point DFT, totally there are 3 stages. Stage 1 output. According to the DIT FFT algorithm, these 2 samples are the one combination. So this sample is drawn by upward direction, down sample is drawn by upward direction. Down sample is drawn by upward direction. And up sample is drawn by downward direction. And these 2 samples are the another 2 point DFT. Similarly, this is drawn by upward direction, and this is drawn by downward direction. And here also these 2 samples are the another combination. This down sample is drawn by upward direction, and this up sample is drawn by downward direction. And this is here also down sample is drawn by upward direction. And up sample is drawn by downward direction. And after that indicate butterfly nodes. And after that indicates butterfly nodes. And this is the butterfly node. Highlight the butterfly nodes. And after that highlight the butterfly nodes. This is the butterfly node, and this is the butterfly node, and this is the butterfly node, and this is the butterfly node. And after that indicate the twiddle factors. And what are the twiddle factors in the first stage? This is the first stage, and this is stage 1 output. First stage, in first stage the twiddle factor is W8 power 0, W8 power 0, W8 power 0, W8 power 0. So calculate the twiddle factors. So we know that the twiddle factor, we know that twiddle factor definition of the twiddle factor, W n power k is equal e power minus j 2 pi by n into k. Calculate the twiddle factors that are W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 square, and W8 cube. and this is the 8-point DFT. The total number of stages capital M is equal log n base 2. Now here n is equal to 8, so logarithm of base 2 n is equal to 8. So 8 is written as 2 cube, that is equal 3 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is 1, so 3 into 1 is 3. So the total number of stages are 3. In first stage the Twiddle factor is W840, and the second stage the Twiddle factors are W840, W8 square, and third stage the Twiddle factors are W840, W841, W8 square, and W8 cube. So using this Twiddle factor definition, calculate the Twiddle factor values. K is equal to 1, W840 value is e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 0, e power minus 0 is 1, W841 value is e power minus j 2 pi by 8. So e power minus j 2 pi by 8 means e power minus j pi by 4. Using Euler identity, e power minus j theta is cos theta minus j sin theta. So e power minus j pi by 4 is cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is 0.707 minus j sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, that is 0.707. Next k is equal to 2 e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 2 e power minus j pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So W8 square value is minus j. W8 cube value is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So these are the Twiddle factor values. So using butterfly diagram, so calculate the stage 1 outputs. What is the butterfly diagram? This is the butterfly diagram. So this butterfly diagram consists of, there are two inputs, capital A and capital B are the inputs, and the first output is determined as this input plus this input into Twiddle factor, and the second output is determined as this input minus this input into Twiddle factor. So using this DIT butterfly diagram, so calculate the stage 1 outputs, and this output is this input plus this input into Twiddle factor. Now here W840 value is 1, so this value is 17, and this output value is this input value minus this input value into Twiddle factor. So this value is minus 15, and similarly calculate the remaining output values using DIT FFT butterfly diagram. So this output value is this into this input value plus this input value into W840, so that is 68, and this value is minus 60, and this one is using DIT FFT butterfly diagram 34, and this output value is minus 30, and here also this output value is this input value plus this input value into W840, that is 136, and this output value first n by 2 point DFT, and this is second n by 2 point DFT. Okay, now here these first four samples are the one combination, and this is the second four samples are the another combination. So that is, this is first n by 2 point DFT, and this is second n by 2 point DFT. Okay, now here these two samples are drawn by upward direction, and these two samples are drawn by the downward direction. So next calculate the second stage output, stage 2 output. Stage 2 outputs, and this is first n by 2 point DFT, this is second n by 2 point DFT. In this first n by 2 point DFT there are 4 samples, so down 2 samples are drawn by upward direction and up 2 samples are drawn by downward direction. So these two are the down two samples, these two are drawn by upward direction. And up two samples are drawn by downward direction. And here also this is another n by 2 point DFT. So now here there are four samples. From these four samples, down two samples are drawn by upward direction. And up two samples are drawn by downward direction. And after that highlight the butterfly nodes. And this is second stage, stage 2 output values. And after that highlights the butterfly nodes. And this is butterfly node. 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 And after that indicates the twiddle factor in second stage, and this is the first stage, and this is second stage. In second stage the twiddle factors are W8 power 0, W8 power 0 and W8 square. And here also this is W8 power 0 and this is W8 square. Wait, wait. Okay. So what is the twiddle factor? W8 power 0 1, W8 square value is minus j. So using DIT FFT butterfly diagram, calculate the output values. So using this butterfly node, this butterfly node consists of, there are two inputs. What are the two inputs? This is one input and this is another output. So using this butterfly diagram, there are two outputs. And this is one output and this is another output. So this output can be determined as using DIT butterfly diagram. This input value plus this input value into W8 power 0, and this output value is this input value minus this input value into W8 power 0. And similarly using this butterfly node, calculate the corresponding output values. So that are, this output value is 85 and this output value is minus 15 plus j 60, sorry, and this output value is minus 51. So using this butterfly node, calculate the corresponding output values, and this output value is minus 15 plus j 60, and this output value is minus 15 minus j 60. So similarly here also using this butterfly diagram, butterfly node, calculate the corresponding output value. So this output value is 170 and this output value is minus 102. And using this butterfly node, calculate the corresponding output values, and this output is minus 30 plus j 120, and this output value is minus 30 minus j 120. Okay, so this is the construction of two 4-point DFT construction of 4 2-point DFT2 next calculate third stage output, stage 3 output, and stage 3 output is the final output, and out of all of these samples, down 4 samples, up 4 samples are drawn by downward direction, and down 4 samples are drawn by upward direction. Down 4 samples are drawn by upward direction, and up 4 samples are drawn by downward direction. Up 4 samples are drawn by downward direction. And after that, highlight the butterfly nodes. After that, highlight the butterfly nodes. And this is the butterfly node. And this is the butterfly node. And this is the butterfly node. This is the butterfly node. And after that, indicate the twiddle factors. And this is the third stage. Stage 3 output values. Stage 3 is the final output for 8-point DFT. For 8-point DFT, third stage is the final output. And twiddle factors are in this stage W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 square, and W8 cube. Calculate the output values using DIT butterfly diagram. So using this node consists of there are 2 inputs and there are 2 outputs. So this output can be determined as this input value plus this input value into twiddle factor, and this output value is determined as this input value minus this input value into this input value minus this input value into W8 power 0. So therefore, the outputs are, this output value is 255 and this output value is minus 85. So similarly, calculate the remaining output values using this butterfly node. Calculate the corresponding output value. This output value is 48.6 plus J 166.05, and this output value is minus 78.63 minus J 46.05. And using this butterfly node, calculate the corresponding output value. This output value is minus 51 plus J 102, and this output value is minus 51 minus J 102. And using this butterfly node, calculate the corresponding output values. This output value is minus 78.6 plus J 46.05, and this output value is 48.6 minus J 166.05. Okay, so according to the definition of DIT butterfly diagram, input sequence is in shuffled order. What is that shuffled order? This is the shuffled order, and the output sequence is in natural order. So that is, this is x of 0 value, this is x of 1 value, this is x of 2, this is x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, and x of 7 values. So therefore, the output sequence x of k is equal, the output sequence x of k is equal x of 0 255 comma x of 1. What output sequence is in natural order 48.63 plus j 166.05. Next x of 2 value minus 51 plus j 102 comma next value is minus 78.6 plus j 46.05 comma minus 85 comma minus 78.63 minus j 46.05 comma minus 51 minus j 102 and x of 7 value is 48.6 minus j 166.05. So this is x of k value of the given sequence.